No, she's looking for the owner of the house. Maybe every
Maybe they
morning.
feed it special or something.
Yeah, that's why. See, very, very cute. I can hold her hand, promise.
Go on.
But I don't want to scare him, or
Mm.
else he will not come back here.
Oh, he'll come back.
No, he won't.
Well, thinks there's food available, he'll come back.
See, even you move, you're not flying.
Mm.
Mm. What are you looking for? What's your name? Kukurukuk. Kukurukuk. Look at that, oh.
Baby
Kukurukuk.
cockatoo just sitting there eating all the food.
No, he's looking for the owner of the house, I'm sure. Maybe every morning, your sister and brother-in-law sit there, and then they will maybe do like that to the hand,
No, I don't think they will feed it by hand.
or maybe put somewhere there, put a thing. He's the only one who come here, huh?
Mm.
Do you want me? I will go slowly and
He's expecting something.
yeah.
I don't know what they do.
Yeah, see? Get some food, honey.